Hey, good Saturday morning, everyone. It's Eric here with you. An update on the weekend forecast. It's Mother's Day weekend. There's a lot going on outside this weekend, and want to just give you a quick heads up as to what you can expect weather-wise. Of course, it's warm, it's humid. Not much has changed since the end of the week after a record-breaking 89 degrees yesterday. And here at almost 9 in the morning, it's already 72 degrees in Youngstown, 75 Akron, Canton, 70 degrees down in Pittsburgh this morning, and dew points are in the upper 50s to around 60. Now, if it were July, this would be no big deal, but in May, yeah, this is kind of humid, and look how high the dew points are off to the west, and this is where our air is coming in from. So I do think dew points this weekend will be a little higher than they were at the end of the week, meaning there's a little more humidity in the air. And with the increase in humidity, even if it's a subtle change, there is a somewhat better chance, I think, of getting a spotty shower and thunderstorm as we get into the afternoon, both today and tomorrow. So let's look at our high resolution short range model here. Simulated radar, in other words, what the model thinks the radar will look like. All is still clear here at 1 p.m. This is 1 o'clock this afternoon. As we go ahead a couple of hours to 3 p.m., notice some stuff trying to bubble up. Now, this model tends to overdo the convection or the shower activity in the short range, but I think that there will be a few isolated cells out there this afternoon. Here's 4 o'clock, perhaps best chance up near the lake shore, right along I-79 in Pennsylvania. Again, the radar might not look as bad as the model thinks, but it's pointing towards an idea that if there were to be a stray shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, that the best chance might be along I-90 and then down I-79 in parts of Pennsylvania. I'm not going to, guarantee a completely dry day closer to Youngstown, but I think your rain chances are smaller the farther south and west you are this afternoon. So here we are at 6 p.m. Same idea. A lot of this may be to the north and east of Youngstown. As we get into the evening, then here's a little past sunset this evening at 9, and notice that the model does want to try to bring some shower activity into parts of the Mahoning Valley. So overall, the best chance to get wet today in our southern areas and our western areas in our viewing area might be after sunset. So the timing on that pretty good. Best chance to get wet before sunset maybe in northwestern parts of Pennsylvania. I think the model has generally the right idea here. And real quickly, taking a look at Mother's Day coming up tomorrow, if you're heading out to brunch with mom tomorrow morning, I think most of the area will be high and dry during the morning and midday. Here we are at midday, nothing going on. By early afternoon, still looks pretty quiet. Now, I do think there can be some showers and perhaps a thunderstorm that try to get going later in the afternoon tomorrow, but just like today, it's going to be very spotty, very hit or miss. Should not be a real big deal at all. Now, temperature-wise, of course, the temperatures have been a story over the last couple of days, especially yesterday, and high temperatures today may be similar, maybe a couple of degrees cooler, but the high-resolution rapid refresh model, still showing some 87s and 89s across the region today. So I think, yesterday's high of 89, we might not get there, but we've got a good shot at 86, 87. I can't even rule out an 88 in some places. So it's going to be another hot one. Be prepared for that. Tomorrow will be very warm as well. We do have a cool down coming for next week. Check out Andrew DePaula's 7-day forecast tonight on 21 News, and I hope you have a great Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.